Untitled Technicians channel, and today we're moving on to another product that I purchased for the Camaro, another bigger item. This is going to run around $300 or so, depending on the style that you want. Well, it's a B&M Pro Ratchet shifter. It's not your average B&M mega shifter that everybody gets for these third-gen Camaros. I don't want my Camaro to be like everybody else's. I want it to stand out, look nice, and be a little bit custom. So I went with the B&M Pro Ratchet shifter. It's not the stealth one. I really wanted the stealth one. The only difference is it's got a black like pistol grip style handle, which is really cool, but they charge like an extra $80 just for that handle. I was like, I almost got it, but in the end I just didn't think it was worth the extra $80 for that grip. I think it would have looked a little bit better, but I'm happy with this item, and I'm going to show you the Pro Ratchet shifter that I went with, and give you the part number. And then if you haven't checked out B&M shifters and you're looking for a new shifter for your car, check this one out. This one's good for 3 and 4 speed transmissions. So let's get into this, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so once again, this is another product that I ordered straight from Summit Racing. This is just the installation instructions and information and all of that, in case you have any questions. This is the B&M Pro Ratchet shifter, 3 or 4 speed with the carbon fiber cover. It's not actually carbon fiber, it's just carbon fiber like graphic. Part number 80843, around $300. Opening it up, I've already opened this, so it's a little bit unorganized. So this is the carbon fiber looking cover that you're gonna get with it. Pretty nice. It says B&M Pro Ratchet on it. This is actually gonna sit down inside my center console. Maybe the top of it will be seen, but I might run a boot over it, so I'm not too sure. Once again, it says B&M right up here. Then you got your shift knob. This is the white ball. Has a little attachment that says B&M that goes on top of it. Just haven't put it on. So instead of getting this and having the black pistol grip and it's formed to your fingers, that's an extra $80. So I figured this is gonna look just fine in there. Here are the decals that you can put on your case for any transmission that you want to run, whatever yours is set up. It's got reverse pattern as well, or reverse valve body and all of that. So pretty nice that they include that. Then you're gonna have your main mechanism here, the shifter. Then all your different trans mount hardware, all the different hardware that you can use for different transmissions, different attachments, all of that. It's nice that they include all of that. All your mounting hardware and pieces. You know, if you have a 3-speed or a 4-speed, you can adjust that. Just a whole bunch of little parts in here. So this is going to be really fun to install, especially because I'm going to have to run or build a custom bracket to hold this shifter, because it's not vehicle specific like that B&M mega shifter. But that's okay, because my Camaro was originally a manual anyways, so I was gonna have to do modification anyways. So here is your transmission shifter cable, really nice. I can't remember the length of this. I think they said 3 or 4 feet. So it's really nice that they include that. And then down here is the top of the shifter ball that you put on there. But besides that, I'll kind of show you how this operates. If I can remember how to put this on. It was really fun trying to figure it out. I know you gotta push it forward and drop it down. Okay, so that's it right there. That's how it'll be mounted in the vehicle. This is the front. Because this is your actual reverse lockout lever right here. You push it forward, it'll have a little handle on it. What this little red anodized piece is for. It's basically a switch that you hit with your thumb in order to get into reverse and park. So I think we're in park right now. Yeah. And then, so I just don't mess this up, I'm actually gonna go ahead and take it off. Okay, so make sure we're in park. it's obviously kind of a pain doing it here on the counter. But with the Pro Ratchet shifter, it's not like the Mega shifter where you can drop it all the way down into one and then hit it forward, and you only, move one gear. It's like that, but the shifter doesn't actually move. Well, it moves, but it always returns to center. So that's what the sticker. It's also going to have a tab to show you what gear you're in, but it's pretty common sense. So you're in park right now. You're going to go ahead, pull it back. That's reverse, neutral, drive, 2, 1, and then if you have a 4-speed, you have another gear right there. But I just have a 3-speed, so I'll have that last one locked out. So here we're in 1, hit it 2, hit it 3 or drive, and then you can't go into neutral. So then you pull that tab, then you're in neutral, then you're in reverse, and now you're in park. And that's all you got. So it's really cool. It locks you out, so you can't slam into neutral, but it always returns to center, which is really nice. So that's it for the B&M Pro Ratchet shifter. I will do an install kind of video, kind of show you how I did mine. I'm gonna have to build a custom piece of metal bracket to actually mount this to, since there's a big hole in my floor. But we're gonna get it figured out, and we're gonna have a custom little shifter in the Camaro. So let me know what you guys think of this shifter, and see you guys next time.